Alright, this is my final project for Topics in Interactive Programming. It's basically a loop assist device where you can tap out a tempo. Um, then you will basically record that individual loop after you decide the number of measures. So it's kind of a couple settings you have to go through, and it'll display this data into max, and then you can use it to create whatever loops you want later. Because it's more natural to like tap out a beat rather than figure out basically the subdivisions on your own or how fast you're tapping. So I'll do the tempo real quick. Alright, so here's a quick demo. First I'm going to go into the tempo mode. So I'll tap out a tempo, it's going to be countdown, and for 10 seconds it'll be taking the average measurements in between each of these clicks basically, and when the light starts blinking I'll know it's done. So that means there's an average of 445 milliseconds in between each tap, and then that means you can set your metro to 445 for when you're making your max patch. So now I'm going to select the number of measures. I'll select 3, goes left to select less, right to select more. Lock it in, go to the next setting. This is just a waiting state so you can start recording. So it's going to give a countdown in the beat that you tapped out earlier. So there should be 445 milliseconds between each of those. And then it basically records while counting up in the measures, each one of these. And these are the outputs for each of the fingers that you had. So that's the pointer finger output, where low is 0, so not flexed, and then high is flexed. So it's just an easy way of keeping track of how to do, or keeping track of beats or other things you want to tap out. And yeah, that's about it.